Hi, my name is Philip Langel, owner of Langel Brothers Air Conditioning. Did you know your air conditioning system can consume as much as 60% of your total utility bill? By replacing your old inefficient air conditioning system with a new high-efficient system, you can save a minimum of 25% and in some cases up to 50% of your utility bill. Many homeowners who replace their current systems with a high-efficient system can see instant savings, and they simply apply the energy savings towards recouping the investment of the new air conditioning system. These savings are maximized only when the air conditioning system has been professionally installed and maintained. Give us a call today at 772-877-1001 or visit us on the web at langelair.com. You deserve to experience a breath of fresh air.